In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of importing OLM file to Office 365 account using the BitRecover OLM Converter Wizard. To install our BitRecover OLM Converter Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with select file or select folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select the folder that you want to export. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select Office 365 option for this tutorial. Enter your Office 365 email address. Next, simply click the Convert button. A new window will open on screen to log in your Microsoft Office 365 account. After logging in, the import will begin. Once the import is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully converted OLM files. Click OK, and open the Office 365 mailbox to access the newly imported files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.